In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can multitask on your Infinix Hot 60 Pro. So let's get started. First, you wanted to open up any kind of application that you wanted to. So just open up the, let's say, Google Chrome, and then Facebook, or let's say TikTok. So some of the app like Play Store, it is not able to multitask because of this is from system application. So you can see there is no any kind of multitasking application over there. And also keep in mind that you can only multitask like two application at the same time. For example, if you want TikTok, then you can go like for TikTok, so press on that button, and then you wanted to press on, like, for example, like Facebook this time. Here we have like two multitasking going on. Now if you try to switch between, for example, Google Chrome, it will replace the Facebook tab there, and you have now Google Chrome running. So here we have a TikTok, and here we have a Chrome, and you are still using your Android phone, just like that. You can still open another app here, for example, calculator, and now you are using like three applications in the same time, but you are not able to go beyond this. So let's try to open this AI gallery. You can replicate. To use this window, you just need to press like this, and you can also adjust this size and places. You can see that you can drag and drop wherever you wanted to do. Like this, you can swipe down, and to make big like that, you can press on this arrow button and it will full screen that. So you can still close from here, just like that, and it's that simple. You can still get back to the multitasking, and you can still tweak here. Like you can see, you can mute the sound if you wanted to, and if you are playing some kind of landscape video, it also supports the landscape video. All right, so it is not supporting right now because I haven't played video right there. And it's that simple to multitask on your Infinix Hot 60 Pro. So it's that simple. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.